Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Imagine having a countertop ice maker that produces soft, chewable nugget ice, just like the ice you find at your favorite restaurants or cafes. The Nugget ice maker offers the perfect combination of convenience, style, and ice-cold satisfaction. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of Nugget ice maker on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Save time and energy with the efficient operation of Joy Pebble Nugget Portable Ice Maker, which produces 100 pieces ice nuggets in 14 minutes, making it the ideal choice for busy households and offices. The soft, chewy nugget ice cubes retain its flavor and taste good, which is best choice for freezing drinks. Never run out of ice again with Joy Pebble Portable Ice Maker, which can create up to 33 pounds of ice per day. Joy Pebble Nugget Ice Maker Nugget comes equipped with a sturdy handle, making it easy to carry to any location, whether it's a barbecue, camping trip, or an outdoor party. Just add water and power on to make ice, ensuring that you have a constant supply of ice wherever you go. Joy Pebble Nugget Ice Machine Countertop with simple control panel. Just add water, plug it in, press the power button and forget it. The indicator lights up when the ice is full or you need more water. Press on/off button for 5 seconds, the ring indicator light flashes white. It will run the cleaning mode for 15 minutes and automatically exit. With a drain plug at the bottom, easy to empty the unused water. No complex installation needed.
Number 2.
Chewable nugget ice. Compared with traditional hard cubes, crunchable and softer nugget ice is made from compacted ice flakes. Optimal melting speed can considerately retain the original flavor of your ice-cold drinks like cocktails and other beverages. Fast ice making. 3 quarts water reservoir and a powerful compressor effortlessly allow up to 30 pounds of ice per day. Making ice within 15 minutes only. 2 ways water refill, auto/manual refill, water switchable. You can connect the included 10 feet inlet hose for easy water filling, hassle-free. Meanwhile, you can also add water manually, access to outdoor activities like parties, camping. Self-cleaning feature. Just press the clean button for 3s to start cleaning cycle before ice making. Ensure you can enjoy healthy and fresh nugget ice at any time.
Number 3.
Fast ice making. Just fill 1.1 liters of water into the water tank and seek to cool read. Maximum ice capacity can reach 34 pounds in 24 hours. It won't make you feel anxious because of waiting. Let you and your family have ice cubes all day long. Chewable nugget ice. Chewing block ice is made from crushed ice cut with blades, as opposed to traditional hard block ice, which are chewable, brittle, ready fast and retains its flavor. The optimal melting speed preserves the original flavor of whiskey and cold drinks. Quiet and user-friendly, it makes ice with low noise. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the ice making process. A considerate ice scoop holder, easy to find your ice scoop before making ice. Only need to press one button, helps you to quickly understand how to use it. When the water is insufficient or the ice basket is full, the indicator light will turn on. Self-cleaning function. Press ice/clean button for 5 seconds, the ring indicator light flashes white. It will run the cleaning procedure for 15 minutes and automatically exit. Press this button again during the cleaning procedure and it will exit immediately. Small footprint. This mini ice maker measures just 8.50 by 11.22 by 12.60 inches. Large capacity based on small footprint, small enough to fit on most countertop and easy to store when not in use.
Number 4.
Nugget ice, also known as pellet ice or chewable ice. Unlike those hard ice cubes, nugget ice is made not only to cool down drinks but also to retain its flavor and provide chewable joy. Before you have to drive to chain stores for it, while now you can have it directly from your countertop whenever you like. Ice ready, always max 30 pounds ice in 24 hours, 4.8 pounds ice basket, 2.8 liters/3 quarts water reservoir, extra thick insulation, auto ice refill, ice is always ready for you. Low noise, equipped with latest high-performance compressor, muted exhaust fan and high-precision ice-making components. Every effort is made to lower the noise. Sleek design, stainless steel housing, touch control panel, ice access from the front with anti-dripping lid, 16.9 inches height, fits perfectly under wall cabinet. Self-explanatory touch panel with 2 buttons, on/off and clean. 4 indicators display the working state of the ice machine.
Number 5.
The first and only self-dispensing Nugget ice machine designed for your personal use. Made with BPA-free parts, R600, the latest environmentally friendly refrigerant, and has a built-in, self-cleaning function to keep your unit clean and running efficiently. The self-dispensing Nugget ice maker is clean, mess-free and easy to use. Just fill the reservoir with distilled, bottled, or raw purified water. Tap water with a hardness of less than 100 ppm is also acceptable. Within 25 minutes, you can enjoy soft, crunchy ice, just like the ice you love from your favorite restaurants. The machine has the capability to produce a maximum of 30 pounds of ice over 24 hours. In addition, it has an internal ice storage of 2 pounds, allowing you to enjoy Nugget ice anytime hands-free. With its compact design, this machine will self-dispense joy, the most delicious ice nuggets. Unit measures only 12W x 16D x 17.5 inches. The perfect size for any countertop in your home or office.